because we have even more fantastic presentations to see. Our next presenter is Maha Alghamdi, who is an international student from Saudi Arabia. In 2006, she received her bachelor's degree in chemistry with honors from Princess Nora bint Abdul Rahman University in Riyadh. Currently, Maha is working towards her master's degree in chemistry through a scholarship from King Abdullah bin Abdulaziz here at George Mason University. Her research interests include WTE, nanotechnology, polymers, and femtochemistry, which she taught me about last week. In the future, Maha plans to pursue her Ph.D. at George Mason University, also in chemistry. Maha.
Hi everyone. Today I am going to present an important issue in chemistry and engineering field, which is the dark side of using waste-to-energy programs. This presentation will provide an overview of opportunity and the challenges related to waste-to-energy programs, focusing in particular on the disaster effect of soot, a product of the uncompleted combustion of fossil fuels and organic matter on human health and environment. The presentation will discuss different solutions to decrease such soot. I will read this in Arabic. في هذا الجزء من المؤتمر سوف نناقش الجوانب الإيجابية والسلبية من برنامج تحويل المخلفات إلى طاقة، وسوف نركز في هذا المؤتمر على أضرار السكان المضرة بالصحة والبيئة، وسوف أيضا يتم مناقشة طرق مختلفة مقترحة لتقليل تكوين السخان من خلال برنامج تحويل المخلفات إلى طاقة. Today I will briefly describe waste-to-energy programs, then I will talk about hazardous soot, and I will discuss the solution to reduce soot, and I will talk about the controlling the formation of soot chemically and my future plan. Waste-to-energy programs is just, or simply it's turn the waste to different kind of energy, such as power, fuel, and heat. This video shows the waste-to-energy process. So here they collect the garbage in the factory. And this is the combustion process. So now the garbage turned to different kind of energy. And this is the scrubber. From this pie chart, we can see that most waste ends up in landfill, and about 31% ends up in the recycling, and 40% in park. Actually, everyone happy with the recycling, but recycling, it doesn't work for most kind of waste. So landfill, it's a serious problem because landfill, it's causes many health and problem issues, and causes many health and environment problems, and also landfill, no one wants to be live nearby landfill, and also landfill, it doesn't work in in the country that has limited land space. About the burn, it's a good idea, but burn without technology, it's to issue many huge chemical compounds, which are very dangerous for the environment and the health. So waste to energy programs focus in this area and improve the burn, but still there is a gap in this program. So I am really interested in this program because I will eliminate the garbage in a safely way, and also I will turn the garbage to something useful, such as power or energy. And also we can, by using waste to energy programs, keep the land clean. From this chart, we can see that waste to energy programs exist in Europe and in United States, but Europe it's more they have more percentage of using this program than United States, because United States has a lot of land space compared to Europe. This is two pictures for two facilities, waste to energy facilities in Vienna and in Florida. So this one, the highest one, it's a scrubber. The problem with waste to energy programs, or the dark side I talk about, is in the combustion. In the combustion, uncompleted combustion of hydrocarbons leads to soot. Soot come out to the air, and people breathe soot. So why soot is dangerous? Because it causes skin cancer, lung cancer, and global warming. In fact, soot, it's not the problem. The problem is the compounds that are typically absorbed in the surface of soot. One such compound is cyclopentapyric. It's a kind of aromatic. This table shows that 3 different cities and the fraction or the kind of compound that absorbed in the soot. So the benzene caused around 50% of cancer in Atlanta, and in Philadelphia, 5% of cancer causes because alphatic that absorbed in the soot. And in San Francisco, oxygenated 18% of cancer because of the oxygenated. My research question is, how can we reduce hazardous soot that result from waste to energy program in order to reduce the negative health and environment impact? Use more oxygen, let soot form, then trap it afterwards, and control the formation of soot chemically are the solution to reduce soot so far. Use more oxygen is the most common. However, this is impractical in some combustors due to geometric concerns. So geometric meaning different kind shape of the compound lead to different results. So we need to control the geometric, and this is impossible. The second way is let soot form, then trap it afterward, using scrubber as a last step in the process. However, scrubbers is very, very expensive. The last way is control the formation of soot chemically, which created by Dr. Mark. By reducing acetylene can reduce the soot. Control the flame synthesis of aromatics. By control, that leads to control the soot formation. However, it's required detailed knowledge of the complex chemistry that compresses a flame. So we need the expert people here to control the formation of soot. So use more oxygen is still soot. So the problem is still, even we use more oxygen. Scrubbers, it's very expensive, and I think poor country can't apply these programs. So chemistry explain and solve and answer many problems. So as a chemist, I believe chemistry the way to the future. So, and I believe chemistry will fill this gap in these programs. So as an initial step, I will control the formation of soot, and I will do my thesis in this program, so I can improve this program by controlling the formation of soot. So why I think the control of formation of soot is very important? Because it's very useful to control occurs within flame by manipulating flame chemistry. Also, if I control the formation of soot chemically, it's cheaper compared to scrubber, and also compared to oxygen, control the formation will be more useful, and it works for most kind of combustion. So my plan for the future is study flame chemistry, identify key kinetic steps by femtochemistry, so I can understand the flame and I understand how the shape and how it's react with another compound, so I can control it. And also I will try many chemical compounds, so I can understand which one it more works with the soot and can reduce soot. Also, I will find easier solutions, so all the factory doesn't need to employ expert people. And also, I'm thinking about poor countries, so I will find cheaper solutions so we can apply this program around all the world. So in conclusion, I talked about waste-to-energy programs and the hazards of soot, and I discussed the solution to reduce soot and the importance of control the formation of soot chemically, and my future plan. I hope in the future that I can improve waste-to-energy program and I can make it more efficient. So thank you for listening. Any questions?